Hi, I'm Sergio, and you are here at the booth from Makeblock. We are an office. We are established in China, but right now we are one of the world leaders in STEM education solutions. We basically specialize in robots to be used in educational purposes. One of our most important, most popular products is the MBot. This one has been around for a couple of years, and it's a very easy to build robot that can allow you to begin learning on coding very easily. The fact that it's easy to assemble doesn't mean that you are going to get bored with it really quickly. And we have also thought about how to extend the usability of the product. And you can see here, you can set up a 6-leg robot with it. This platform comes from the DIY field. You can see more pieces there. So basically, we created a lot of components to enable people to make their own projects, but we also created kits in order for them to explore more into the programming.
Thank you.
Yeah, and on the look more like a finished product. One of them is called the Neuron. Neuron is a system that consists of blocks that you can put together in order to create quick projects that you can program. You can both use it on an offline mode. For example, this is a guitar, and you can easily play it because each block has a predetermined code. But you can also go online. You can connect a Bluetooth block, and you can quickly access online and do programming with it. It's very intuitive. It has its own app. It's called Neuron, and you can very easily begin programming. You just connect through Bluetooth. And it's very visual, very intuitive. The blocks that you have connected here, you can see them here. And it's just a drag and drop thing. So you can set a certain value. Let's say okay, and then you can easily create projects that will help you explore the logics behind programming in a very visual way. So okay, it's very loud around, so you cannot hear the buzzer. But it's a very easy way to start building and programming. Now, this is like the younger brother, let's call it. Younger because it just came out of Kickstarter. It's called the Cody Rocky. And this is a control board that you can use in many other projects. This one supports not only Scratch for programming, but it also supports Python. So you can also do some text-based coding. And you can program it as you can program the other robots. It includes a bigger set of sensors, and it's going to be compatible with Neuron. It's another project that we have. So you will be able to increase the functionality of these projects. Finally, we have one of our other bigger projects is called the Airblock. This is a modular drone. As you can see here, you can easily take apart the propellers and basically configure it the way you want them. There are some preset configurations, such as the drone or this hoverboard, but you can basically create whatever you want with it. You can create a wheel that becomes a one-wheel robot. and or you can also create a structure and then mount this to propel it. So we're really happy with this product and the other ones, and we have made enough very big efforts, and we have received many prizes recently from Red Dot and from CES that really talk about well, the acceptability and the quality of our products. So we're really proud with it.
Thank you very much.